Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by signing into your Microsoft account on Bing, Com, or in Edge. This ties searches to rewards. Once signed in, enable Microsoft Rewards from your profile, accept the terms so points accumulate. Next, make Bing your default search or use Edge regularly. That ensures consistent credit across devices. Do this now so every subsequent search counts. You'll see your points balance update in the Rewards panel, and enabling the browser extension or app streamlines tracking and bonus opportunities. Once set up, focus on how you search. Use Bing on both desktop and mobile to hit daily point caps faster. Complete daily sets and quizzes shown in the Rewards dashboard and opt into browser-based activities. They add reliable bonus points. While searching, use quotes for exact phrases and advanced modifiers to find answers faster and complete tasks. Use image and visual search for shopping or identification tasks that trigger extra credits. Make sure to sync your device activity so Bing recognizes eligible searches. Finally, redeem your accumulated points from the rewards page for gift cards, sweepstakes entries, or donations. You'll see exact costs and delivery options. Link Xbox, Office, or other Microsoft services to unlock additional earning opportunities and centralized tracking. If points don't appear, first confirm you were signed into the same Microsoft account and region, then clear cookies, relogin, and retry the search. If the problem persists, use the Rewards Help option to report missing credits and include dates and example queries for faster.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.